how to create a pattern from an image in Affinity Photo. What you need to do is make certain the layer is selected. Go over here and select the rectangular marquee tool. Select that and then drag across the image, and you can select the whole image or just part of the image, something like that. Then you can go to layer, down to new pattern layer from selection, and that will turn it into a pattern layer. Now there's no way of storing a pattern for future use in a patterns panel, but there is an assets and you can store your pattern there. So let's just go over here, select the move tool, and you can reposition it, resize it. You can also rotate it. But also, as mentioned, you can save it to assets. And I've created a category of patterns. All you need to do is go down here, not this one, but this one, the second menu, click there and add from selection. And that will just store it over there. Also, if you've got the move tool selected, you'll notice along here you've also got the option for mirror. So you can click here and then you will get a mirror effect, a seamless tile. And you can resize it, move this around. And also again, you can store away in your assets. So again, down here, second one, click here, add from selection, and it will be stored away. And then of course, you can use it later. So let's just remove that. At any point, you can simply drag over here and you've got your pattern back and you can use it in future projects. Also, of course, you can drag this one across and then you've got two pattern layers and you can blend them. Just go over here to layers and you can go over here, select the top one, and you can go down here and maybe go for like that, light and screen, etc. to create all kinds of pattern designs from that image. Let's just remove those. What you can also do is you can go here and you can use elliptical marquee tool. So select that and just drag over the image. With that selected, go to layer and again, new pattern layer from selection. Select that and you can got another pattern very quickly from that image. And again, select the move tool and you can move it around and you can resize it. And also you can go for mirror again. You can see you get a mirror effect there. Hold down the Alt Option key and you can always duplicate that pattern layer as well. So you've got two layers again. Exact same as before. You can also go to the assets, second menu, and click there and add from selection. So that's stored away as well. Another thing you can do, just go over here and rectangular marquee tool. You can also go with a feather. So click there and set the feather, say to 50, and then create a selection. Now that selection is feathered and will create a slight blurring around the edges. With that, you can also go to, recreate it again. You can go to a layer and new pattern layer from selection. And this time you'll see you've got a slight blurring around your pattern design. Again, as before, you can go to the move tool and you can resize it and rotate it. And also, exact same as before, save it to your assets. So just click there and add from selection and so on. Hope you found this tutorial of interest. Any questions, please let me know in the comments below. Always great to hear from you. A like or dislike, always appreciated. Also, please subscribe to the channel. Bye.